Welcome everyone. My name is Jeremy Strong, and I'd like to welcome you to the first display of this tour. In this display, you're going to notice Elmwood custom kitchen cabinetry. We have a hand-finished, hand-glazed, white painted cabinet. Kind of subtle and it's off-white. We didn't want it to be super bright in here, so we toned it down and used a subtle off-white tone in here. We also used a cocoa paint interior on our open cabinets and glass cabinets to give a two-tone finish and dimensional property on the cabinets themselves. This particular cabinet display, you're going to notice this polished stainless steel and painted hood manufactured by Elmwood Cabinets. It's very rare to have a cabinet manufactured that would get into this level of detail, especially with the metals as well. In this display, you're going to notice a few different types of cabinets. One is the inset cabinetry that you see here on this walnut island. Inset means the drawer fronts and door fronts are actually inside the framing of the cabinetry instead of outside overlapping the framing. Another option in cabinet manufacturing is a frameless cabinet, which you will find here. Frameless cabinet does not utilize a frame, and the door on this one, which would be considered a full overlay door, is the full width of the cabinet, not allowing you to see any of the cabinet surface when the doors are closed. Integrated refrigerators are very hot today. Integrated paneled front refrigerators kind of hide inside of the pantry system. Custom pantry systems such as this pantry you see here with the pull out and rotate feature. They also have your standard pantries with the straight pull out without the rotate, your rollout cabinets, and then they have some fancier options as well. Depends on what kind of look and what you're looking to store in the cabinets.